In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Skool membership. If you're part of multiple communities on Skool, it's important to know that memberships are managed per group, so canceling affects only the specific community you select. I'll walk you through the exact path on your account, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a few tips so there are no surprises. Start by logging into your Skool account. Use the same login you originally used to join the community you want to cancel. It helps to double-check you're signed into the right account if you have more than one, since memberships are tied to a specific profile. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. From that menu, go to Settings. This is your central hub for account preferences, billing details, and community management, so everything you need for cancellation is right here. Inside Settings, select the Communities tab. This tab shows all the groups you've joined under your account, along with their membership status. Think of it as your dashboard for seeing where you're currently active and what's being billed. Find the specific group you want to cancel. Next to that group, click the button labeled Settings. Every community has its own settings area, so make sure you pick the right one, especially if you're in several similar groups. In the Community Settings area, click Manage Membership. This section outlines your plan, your next renewal date, and any billing information tied to that community. It's a good place to confirm you're canceling the correct subscription by noting the community name and the renewal timing. To finish, choose Cancel to end your subscription to that group. Depending on timing, you'll typically keep access until the end of your current billing period, and then the membership will stop renewing. You won't be charged going forward for that specific community, and you can always rejoin later if you decide to come back. If a confirmation prompt appears, proceed with the cancellation to finalize it. That's the entire process. Log in, open Settings from your profile picture, go to the Communities tab, select the right group settings, open Manage Membership, and choose Cancel. Before you leave, it's smart to note your renewal date and make sure you've saved any personal notes or progress you want to keep. When you're ready, follow these steps, and you'll cancel your Skool membership for the selected community quickly and confidently.